In front of me is Samsung Tab Active4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I do that, as you can see, my switcher and all of those features are gray, which means that autofill is off. If you wish to switch it back, only use the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!